What if a handful of local businesses each paid you a small fee every single month? Not for something huge, for quietly fixing one small, boring problem they never have time to deal with. Quick note first. This is educational only, not financial advice. Today, I'll show you 5 of those problems and the simple systems that solve them. Welcome to Moolah IQ, where we make personal finance, investing, and trading simple. Here's something most people miss about small businesses. They are drowning in tiny, repetitive tasks. A missed call, a web form nobody answered, an empty appointment chair. Each one quietly costs them money, every single week, and almost none of them have the time to fix it. That is the opening. You learn to remove just one of those frictions, set it up one time, and charge a small monthly fee to keep it running. You don't need an audience. You don't need to write code. You just need one system that works. Today, I'll walk you through 5. System 1. The missed call. Picture a plumber up to his elbows under someone's sink. The phone rings, and he simply can't answer it. That caller hangs up and dials the next plumber on the list. Most missed callers never try you again. So we build a tiny system. The second a call goes unanswered, that caller gets a friendly text. Sorry we missed you. How can we help? The conversation stays alive and the job doesn't walk away. That one text can save a business thousands of dollars a month. System 2. The instant lead reply. Now picture a contractor. Someone fills out the form on his website at 9 at night. By the time he notices it 2 days later, they've already hired someone else. Speed wins these jobs. So we build a system that fires the moment a form comes in. It drops the lead onto his calendar and sends a warm reply within seconds, promising a call the next business day. No lead ever slips through on a busy day. Again, System 3. And this one's my favorite because the money is so obvious. A salon books a client for Friday. Friday comes, and they just don't show up. That empty chair is pure lost income, gone for good. So we build what I call the no-show shield. When someone books, it logs them and sends a confirmation. The day before, a friendly reminder. 2 hours before, a quick "see you soon," and if they still miss the appointment, a kind note the next day with a link to rebook. Let me show you how simple this really is. You use a free booking page and a free visual tool called make.com. The booking drops the client's details into a simple spreadsheet. A little automation reads that sheet and sends each message at exactly the right time. You build it once, and it runs forever. A dentist or a med spa will happily pay you every month to stop losing chairs. Because if it saves even 2 no-shows, it has already paid for itself. System 4. The reviews. A restaurant with 12 reviews gets buried under the one with 200. Most happy customers would gladly leave a review. Nobody ever asks them. So we build a system that asks automatically, right after a great visit, with a one-tap link straight to Google. More 5-star reviews means higher on the map, which means more customers walking in the door. The owner does nothing, and the reviews just keep growing. System 5. The quote chaser. Picture a freelancer who sends out a quote, then gets busy and never follows up. Most jobs aren't lost on price. They're lost to silence. So we build a system that politely follows up for them. A gentle nudge in 2 days, another in 5. And it stops the instant the client says yes. One recovered job a month pays for the whole thing. Now notice what all 5 of these have in common. You build each one a single time. And then it quietly pays you month after month for work you already finished weeks ago. That's leverage, not trading hours for dollars. It's the same principle the wealthy use with their assets. You're building small machines that earn while you sleep. Let me be straight with you, though. This is a real skill and a real service, not a magic button. The building is the easy part. Learning to set it up cleanly for one specific business is where the real value lives. But that is exactly why it pays. And it's far more learnable than it looks. In fact, the very reason it looks technical is the reason businesses can't do it themselves. So if you actually want to build one of these, I made you something. It's a free guide called the 5-Week Micro Automation Builder. It walks you through all 5 of these systems, one per week, step by step. and it includes the exact message to send to land your very first client. It's completely free. Head to MoolahIQ.com and grab your copy. Start with week 1. Build it in a single afternoon and go find your first business. And I'm genuinely curious about you. Of those 5 systems, which one would you build first? Tell me down in the comments. Give me the type of business and the system you'd pick, and I'll reply with the fastest way to sell it. If this opened your eyes even a little, subscribe and stick around. This is the first in a series where we build each of these systems together, start to finish. And our weekly newsletter shares one money skill just like this every single week. This is Moolah IQ, helping you increase your financial IQ, one wise decision at a time.